Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. Like I said, I'm coming with uploads today. Make sure your post notification bell is on. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. Like I said, your boy is back full effect, man. Make sure you follow me all platforms down below. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate that as well. But today, man, we got a in-hand review of these Nike Dunk High women's release. They call them the Pink Prime, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, but the ladies out there, you know what I'm saying? Y'all love pink. Of course, it's the summertime. This shit would definitely be good for y'all to pop out, you know what I'm saying, summertime with the sun hitting on y'all with your little outfits on. So why not do a review for y'all for the ladies out there, man? Of course, I want to bring out for the mans, of course, man's shoes and all that stuff. But I want to bring out a lot more women dunks, women's shoes, women different perspective, man. If y'all like this, comment down below, man, if y'all liking this or you dislike it. Let them know, boy, down below, man. So I picked up these shoes, you know what I'm saying, at I can't think right now, at Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying. Just walked in there on a happy day, you know what I'm saying. Just walking around the store, just looking in there, see like, what should I get? What should I get? And I see some Nike Dunks. I was like, oh, let me go ahead and grab these, you know what I'm saying. Also do a review on the shoe, you know what I'm saying. Excuse me. And plus, you know what I'm saying, sell a shoe, you know what I'm saying. So you get, you know what I'm saying, 2 pluses. Sell it and do a review out for you guys. So why not, man? So like I said, got these Nike Dunk lows, these Nike Dunk highs, women's release, you know what I'm saying, Pink Prime. I don't know the release date of the shoe, just know most of the time Foot Lockers or anything like that get the shoe, you know what I'm saying. Don't be no release date on it. They just be coming out crazy, especially dunks wise. But I like Nike Dunks though. I like the highs, the lows, mids, what you want to call them. I love Nike Dunks, man. They're very versatile. You can wear them with anything, you know what I'm saying. Even though when they crease up a little bit, they even look better when they beat up, for real, most of the time. And when you do wear your Nike Dunks and more crease them up and stuff, they be more and more comfortable. Because normally Nike Dunks, when you wear them, I always tell people go to either half size or don't go a whole size, because it's not Yeezys we're talking about here. We're talking about Nike Dunks. Either go to true size or go to half size. But normally I always tell people go a half size up in Nike Dunks, because some people, they say they run big. To me, Nike Dunks don't run big at all, in my opinion. They never run small. So, but everybody else say they run big, so let's go a half size up in Nike Dunks. In the women's, men's, whatever, always go a half size up. Not the SBs, we're talking about the Nike Dunks. But a little bit too much talking, man. Let's go get that shoe out, man. But also make sure you like and subscribe. Let's go get the shoe out, man. Yes, sir. Here they go. Like I said, I got from Foot Locker. Nothing too crazy. The retail price on these was $110, I believe. Yeah, the retail price was $110, so I taxed them like $117, something like that. So all Nike Dunks will come in this red and white Nike box, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy unless it's like something different or whatever, nothing like that. But most of the time, 9 times out of 10, it will come in this box right here. So here they go. Like I said, size 7 in women. So the grade school size will be equivalent to a 5.5 in kids. So like I said, it's a size 7 in women's, equivalent to a size 5.5 in kids. In case y'all didn't know, there y'all go. And it says, women Nike Dunk High, white Pink Prime, women size 7, and the men's aka grade school size 5.5. So we'll get these bad boys out. Hey, here they go, man. The Nike Dunk High Prime Pink joints, man. Women's release right here.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam.
Here they go. Nothing too crazy, like I said. You can tell my hand's very, very small. It's a size 7 in women's. Like I said, equivalent to a size 5.5 in women's, equivalent to a 5.5 in kids. So in case y'all out there like, what size I wear in kids? There you go. And also they come with sets of white laces. So think about you put some white laces in these, man. Ooh-wee. Some white laces in these, super fire. Let's go get the other joints out. I already know if you put some white laces in these, bro. Listen, some white laces in these will pop out the shoe 10 times better. 10 times better, man. So I would do it, but like it's not a personal size, anything like that. It's not my personal. And most of the time I like to keep the bag, like just in case somebody want to buy the shoe. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. So, but here they go, man. The Nike Dunk High Prime Pink Women's release right here. Like I said, super clean colorway. Like I said, this pink right here will pop out in the summertime. It's popping right now in the light. Think about in the summertime with your little fits, ladies. Come on now. You can never go wrong with it. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. Also, here you got your prime pink outsole. The whole outsole is prime pink. On the midsole here, you got your white midsole. Make sure you got your white toe box here. Same old leather material on all Nike Dunks the majority of the time, 99% of the time. On the side panel here, we got your white side panel, hence the pink prime Nike swoosh. On the back of the heel, you got your pink prime as well right here with your pink prime on the heel tab, little pull tab here. And also, you got your pink prime laces inside of the shoe. You got your pink prime laces on the shoe. Like I said, come with hints of white laces as well. These white laces for sure, I'm trying to tell y'all. You put these white laces in here, gonna pop out the shoe 10 times better. I promise y'all. I promise y'all, man. And on the inside of the shoe, you got your white Nike logo inside of the shoe. So, like I said, man, these with the white laces will pop. I promise y'all, these will definitely pop for sure. And like I said in the beginning of the video, man, any Nike Dunk high, lows, with mids, whatever, always go a half size up. And like I said, this is 7 in women's, accumulate to a size 5.5 in kids. But when you break in Nike Dunks, majority of the time, they fit more comfortable because when you first wear them, they stiff on your feet, you know what I'm saying? They make them a little uncomfortable. Just break them in, wear them a couple times, like any other shoe, like Jordans, Air Maxes. Just break them in, you'll be perfectly fine. And these not going too crazy on GOAT or StockX, anything like that, in case you missed out or you like this shoe. Let's head over to StockX or GOAT, you know what I'm saying? I think the price on this size was, I think like 140 or 150. So I taxed it like 160, 165, nothing too crazy. So like I said, if you like this shoe, go ahead over there and grab the shoe. Only got a size 7 in women's, coming to a 5.5. Only got 2 pairs. Well, technically I only got 1 left. I'm selling 1 today, so I got 1 more left in case you're interested in this pair. Head on to my Instagram page, Junkie Kicks, down below. You know what I'm saying? In case you're looking to get this shoe, or hit me in my personal DMs. You know what I'm saying? So I'm bringing more women's shoes to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Like women Dunks, women Jordans, like different stuff for women, so y'all can see like my more of my channel, more versatile rather than just showing man shoes all the time. Just bring a lot more women stuff to the channel so y'all can be like, okay, he got women stuff too. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So then my J-Rock got women's shoes too, not clothes, so my shoes here. So like I said, man, here you go one more time. The Nike Dunk High women's pink prime joints, man. Like I said, the retail price was 110, so I taxed it like 117. So hey. But anyway, man, that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Make sure you follow me on all my platforms down below. My Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff down below. I would appreciate it, man. Hey, like I said, I'm coming with 4 uploads today. So be ready. Make sure post notification bell is on. Let's get to it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch y'all another video, man. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.